At Precision Graphix, our core values are always top of mind. If we ever have a tough decision to make and we need some guidance, these are what we turn to. Professionalism. We take pride in everything we do from start to finish. Responsibility. We take ownership. When we see something, we say something. Excitement. We jump at new opportunities to help our clients bring their vision to life. Consistency. We communicate early and often. We do not make assumptions. Integrity. We are fair, honest, and empathetic. We always do what is right. Skillfulness. We are disciplined in our craft, always learning and improving. Inspiring. We lead by example for our clients, family, and friends. Organization. The smallest details are often the most important. Neighborly. We treat others the way we want to be treated.